Welcome to Guitar Power Up. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Traitor from Olivia Rodrigo's new album, Sour. So as always, if this video helps you, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. Subscribe for more lessons from this artist, and visit guitarpowerup.com for more videos. Enjoy! So this entire song uses a single chord progression. I'll play it for you first, and then I'll break it down for you with tabs. For this song, I'm going to place a capo on the first fret, and the entire song is made up of 4 chords, the first of which is a D major chord. So for this, you're going to place your pointer finger on the 2nd fret of the G string, your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the B string, and your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the high E string. Next, we're going to go to an F sharp minor chord. So for this, you're going to bar the 2nd fret with your pointer finger. You're going to place your ring finger on the 4th fret of the A string and your pinky finger on the 4th fret of the D string. Next, we're going to go to a B minor chord. So for this, you're going to bar the 2nd fret from the A string with your pointer finger. You're going to place your ring finger on the 4th fret of the D string, your pinky finger on the 4th fret of the G string, and your middle finger on the 3rd fret of the B string. And then last is a G major chord. So for this, you're going to place your middle finger on the 3rd fret of the low E string, your pointer finger on the 2nd fret of the A string, your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the B string, and your pinky finger on the 3rd fret of the high E string. And it repeats, and I'll play it for one more time. It sounds like this.